Hello, today we are going to learn how to divide any circle into 8 equal parts. To do this, firstly we will draw a vertical diameter which cuts the circle at 2 points A and E. Then we are going to draw a perpendicular diameter which forms a cross in the circle as shown here, getting 2 new points C and G. You can do this at home using your 45 degree and 90 degree set squares or using the perpendicular bisector of the first diameter method. In this video, I use special software with a 45 degree set square with an incorporated protractor. So the next step, we must calculate the angular bisector of one of these 4 quadrants. To do this, setting your compass to any radius, for example close to the radius of the given circle, and centered on point G, we are going to scribe an arc to the left, as can be seen here. And now with the same radius and centered on point A, we will scribe another arc to the right until it cuts the previously drawn arc. Now we join this intersection with the center 0 and elongate it until it cuts the circle on the other side, obtaining 2 new points which we will call D and H, as can be seen here. So the next step is setting the compass to the length AH. We are going to transport it onto the right hand side of the circle as shown here. Now we join this new division with the center O and elongate it until it cuts the circle on the other side, obtaining 2 further points B and F, as can be seen here. Okay, so as can be seen here, if you join these points A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, which I have done with a red line, you will get a regular octagon inscribed in the circle. And joining these 8 points to the center point 0 with a blue line, we get 8 equal divisions or circular sectors, which you can see highlighted here in the video. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Until the next time.